AEHR stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Aehr Test Systems stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of this down in this brief short 1 minute video. With a good $20.18 level, this thing is just solidly pumping, and I'm a big fan of it, you know, because I was beforehand here looking to double down. It sort of just pumped up without me, which is fair, and it just mark up the top and look for an opportunity where I would probably buy more, you know, because when it's pumping up like this, all I'm looking to do is just squeeze the most juice that I can, or buy more, you know what I mean? So in this particular instance, here's the top, and if there is not a double break, then I am not buying. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. Other than that, I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. AEHR, I've got about like one result here in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated.